Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with apps and games not being downloaded from Google Play Store. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly tap and hold on the Google Play Store app icon and click on the eye icon. Then after go to Storage Users and clear the cache. After that, simply click on Force Stop and force stop the application. Once you have followed this step, go to App Permission and make sure all the important permission is allowed for this application to run smoothly. Then after, head back to your file manager. Make sure there is enough storage in your device so that the apps and games are downloaded. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with apps and games not being downloaded from Google Play Store. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.